Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the nation's sharpest opinion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Prime Minister has given his most energetic and, if I were to say so, liveliest interview yet across the campaign to the Republic Media Network some time back. And he's given so many interviews in the course of this campaign that earlier people used to say, why does the Prime Minister of India not speak to the media? Now the same people who used to complain that the Prime Minister does not speak to the media are saying, why is the Prime Minister speaking to the media so much? They are reading a motive in that as well. How do I look at it? Well, quite elementary, ladies and gentlemen. You have a Prime Minister who's given more than 85 interviews in the course of the campaign. He's addressed many more rallies. He's done innumerable roadshows. He's been among the people. Personally, he has met crores of people in the course of the campaign. If you look at the reach of all his interviews, he's trying to reach the maximum number of people. He's fielded questions from everyone. He's spoken to people who support him. He's spoken to people who criticize him. He's spoken to people who perpetually criticize him. He's spoken to digital channels. He's spoken to large news networks. He's not left anyone out. And in fact, I would not be surprised, and you'll be surprised at this number, ladies and gentlemen, but I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of this campaign, the Prime Minister of India would have had at least 100 exclusive media interactions with different sections of the media, print, television, and digital. That is an extensive outreach. On the other hand, food for thought, viewers, have you seen one interview of Rahul Gandhi? One interview? Not one interview, ladies and gentlemen, not one. And that tells you about the nature of this campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, on the nation's sharpest opinion, I will reiterate one point. If there is an undercurrent in this election, it is an undercurrent for Narendra Modi. As the campaign is progressing, his personal popularity and not just the organizational reach of the BJP is coming across. His energy levels, his personal campaigning, the Prime Minister has sounded like a winner from the start, but he's realizing he's closer to the target now than even his critics would like to deny, ladies and gentlemen. Viewers, I would like to start this evening by first getting live with us Mayuk Ranjan Ghosh. Mayuk is senior editor of Republic Bangla, the #1 news channel in Bengal, the #1 news brand in Bengal, and he's just had a fantastic interaction with the Prime Minister. He's been on the campaign. We'll run those pictures there. So what was it like, speaking to the PM, and what was the mood along the roadshow? Mayuk.
Arnab, just now talking about the undercurrent. It's a huge undercurrent in Bengal and in Kolkata. This is the very road that leads to Swami Vivekananda's ancestral home. That's Vivekananda Road. And this is also the road which leads to Sham Bazar 5 Point, where Netaji's statue is there. Netaji gave his historical speech there. These are the points, the emotional points of Bengal which Narendra Modi connected, which Narendra Modi paid tribute to. He stopped in this entire 2-kilometer road. He stopped at every single juncture and paid his tribute. Natmastak mein, he was saying that I pay homage to all the people here. Here, the revolutionaries of Bengal, yes, they used to stay. He went past by this road, and he started his journey from Mayer Badi. That's Ma Sharada's ancestral home, Ramakrishna Dev's wife's home. So it's basically a connect, and the undercurrent there. All these things you can see. Huge amount of people on both sides of the roads just to get a glimpse of Narendra Modi. And I'm talking about Uttar Kolkata. That's North Kolkata, one of the oldest bastion of Congress and Trinamool for a long time. Arnab.
Absolutely, and we see clips of your interview there with the Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's second interaction with the Republic Media Network, speaking to Republic Bangla on the trail in Kolkata. I'll play the whole clip out. Thank you.
নমস্কার, এই মুহূর্তে রিপাবলিক বাংলায় আমি রয়েছি এবং আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন দ্য নিউজ मेकर नरेंद्र मोदी जी रिपब्लिक बांग्ला में पहली बार बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
बांग्ला को नमस्कार।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपको मोदी जी। मोदी जी, ये जो पूरा जो माहौल है, हजारों में लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, क्या कुछ नहीं हुआ ये प्रोग्राम को बंद करने के लिए? लोगों को रोका गया, 144 144 इशू किया गया, बहुत सारे जगहों पे रोक नहीं पाए। ममता बनर्जी को मोदी से इतना डर क्यों है?
उनको मुझसे डर नहीं है, वो स्वयं से डरती है। उनको लगता है कि उन्होंने जो झूठी मायाजाल खड़ी की हुई है वो गुब्बारा फूट चुका है। बंगाल की जनता उनके कुकर्मों को भली भांति समझ गई है और बंगाल के नागरिकों का, बंगाल की भावी पीढ़ी का और बंगाल का वो भारी नुकसान कर रही है। ये अब बंगाल के लोगों के मन में कन्विंस हो चुका है और इसलिए वो बचने के लिए रास्ते खोज रही है।
क्या लग रहा है मोदी जी, बहुत ही बेहतरीन इस बार रिजल्ट बंगाल से होगा? क्या बार बार आप बोल रहे हैं?
मैंने पूरे देश के चुनाव में भ्रमण किया है। मैंने 2014 का भी चुनाव देखा था, 2019 का भी चुनाव देखा और मैं कह सकता हूं कि चुनाव 14 का हो या 19 का, ये चुनाव उससे बहुत अलग है। ये चुनाव अपार विश्वास का चुनाव है और एक प्रकार से ये चुनाव पूरी तरह देशवासी इस चुनाव को लीड कर रहे हैं। देशवासियों के पुरुषार्थ से चुनाव आगे बढ़ रहा है। हम लोग तो निमित्त है और सामान्य मानवीय का संकल्प बन गया है विकसित भारत का। ये इस कैंपेन की बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है।
मोदी जी, 21 दिन हो गए, 3 हफ्ते। हुमायूं कबीर तृणमूल के जो एमएलए है उसने बोला था हिंदुओं को काट के भागीरथी में बहा देंगे। उसके बाद ममता बनर्जी ने तो ना नहीं बोला, उसके ऊपर रामकृष्ण मिशन भारत सेवाश्रम को इंसल्ट किया और इसके बाद बोला रामायण महाभारत सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएंगे, कुरान पुराण, लेकिन मेरा विकास का जो कहानी है वो खत्म नहीं होगा। ऐसा क्यों कर रहे ममता जी?
देखिए, ममता जी की राजनीति इसी पर निर्भर है। वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए, वोट जिहाद के लिए वो लगातार रामनवमी पर प्रतिबंध लगाना, दुर्गा विसर्जन पर प्रतिबंध लगाना, कोई जय श्री राम बोले तो लड़ाई लड़ लेना, और वो परंपरा उनकी अपनी पार्टी के हर व्यक्ति में आई है और इसलिए वो सभी हिंदुओं को डुबो देने की, बहा देने की, बोलने की हिम्मत कर रहे हैं। इससे बड़ा देश का कोई दुर्भाग्य नहीं हो सकता है। और नेशनल मीडिया जो आए दिन जो खान मार्केट गैंग है वो ऐसे ऐसे विषयों को उछालती है, उनके ध्यान में ये नहीं आता है कि इतना गंभीर मुद्दा है कि देशवासियों को गंगा में बहा देने की बातें हो रही है। ममता जी तो चुप है, उनकी पूरी गैंग चुप है।
मोदी जी, बंगाल जहां पे हम खड़े, एक टाइम पे इंडिया का कैपिटल हुआ करता था, हम लोगों का क्या कुछ नहीं था, इंडस्ट्री लेके ट्रेड कल्चर सब कुछ था। अभी हम लोगों का जो ग्लोरी है वो है नहीं। आप ये गारंटी दे सकते हैं क्या, जिस फैक्ट्री को सिंगूर से आप टाटा का फैक्ट्री सानंद में लेके गए थे, अगर यहाँ पे डबल इंजन सरकार हो तो सिंगूर में फैक्ट्री होगा, नंदीग्राम में फैक्ट्री होगा, भांगोड़ में, डायमंड हार्बर में, सब जगह फैक्ट्री होगा और हम मुंबई दिल्ली के साथ टक्कर देंगे विकास में।
मेरा गुजरात का अनुभव है। गुजरात एक ऐसा राज्य है कि जहां 10 साल में 7 साल अकाल होता है। गुजरात के पास कोई मिनरल्स नहीं है जो बंगाल के पास है। ज्यादा से ज्यादा हमारे पास नमक है और कुछ नहीं है। उसके बावजूद भी हमने धीरे धीरे मेहनत करके उसको एक इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट बना दिया। बंगाल का तो पूरा हिस्ट्री इंडस्ट्री का है। बंगाल के पास बहुत बड़े प्राकृतिक संसाधन है, लेकिन यहाँ पहले वाम वालों ने लाल झंडे के जुलूस निकाल करके सारी इंडस्ट्री को ताला लगा दिया। लोग भाग भाग करके कहीं और चले गए। अब बाद में सोचा था कि शायद टीएमसी आएगी तो सुधार करेंगी। अब वो इन्वेस्टमेंट सबमिट कर रही है, लेकिन किसी भी इन्वेस्टर को जो सुरक्षा चाहिए, जो विश्वास चाहिए कि यहाँ की पॉलिसी में स्टेबिलिटी रहेगी, वो जब तक नहीं आता है कौन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आएगा। और इसलिए बंगाल के विकास के लिए, बंगाल के नौजवानों के भविष्य के लिए इस सरकार को हटाना सबसे बड़ी प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए।
मोदी जी अगर आप खुद अगर डबल इंजन सरकार हो, यू हैव बीन वन ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट इन ब्रिंगिंग बिजनेस इन गुजरात, बंगाल के लिए वो क्या करेंगे आप? डबल इंजन
मैंने उनको पहले भी एडवाइस दी है कि आपको ये करना चाहिए। और मैं हिंदुस्तान के हर राज्य को क्योंकि हमने G20 अलग अलग राज्यों में क्यों किया, इसीलिए किया कि उन राज्यों का प्रोजेक्शन हो, वे अपने राज्य को फोकस करें ताकि दुनिया का ध्यान जाए। तो मेरी तरफ से जो भी मदद चाहिए मैं बढ़ चढ़कर मदद देना चाहूंगा।
मोदी जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। रिपब्लिक बांग्ला के सभी दर्शकों के तरफ से ये जो चीज है, इससे शायद बहुत कुछ पता चल रहा है। इस बार क्या यहाँ पे भी मोदी
मैं मानता हूँ पूरे देश में हमारा बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस बंगाल के लोकसभा के चुनाव में रहने वाला है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद,
धन्यवाद,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's Mayuk biggest news point there was where he said देश भर का best performance हमारा बंगाल में होगा. I think the Prime Minister is reading the mood. So quick response before I move on to the debate. Mayuk.
Absolutely, Arnab, and the undercurrent can be seen. People in Bengal, they are flocking the roads of Kolkata, and every time Narendra Modi Zindabad, Narendra Modi, and hum dekh lenge. This is the mood of mood of Bengal, and right now, the undercurrent you were talking about that might click, and this entire what Narendra Modi is claiming that this can be the biggest state contributing
for the results. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Mayuk. Great interview. Superb interview. The Prime Minister was loving speaking to Republic Bangla, and your questions were absolutely fabulous. Thank you, Mayuk. Okay, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, Ashok Mrityunjay ji of Aam Aadmi Party, Anirban Banerjee ji supporting the Trinamool Congress, Pulla Rao, anti-BJP, pro-DMK, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate. Okay, कहाँ गई इंडी? In fact, मुझे तो लगता है रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी that even Mamta Banerjee has read the mood. She's saying मैं नहीं आ रही कोई इंडी विंडी मीटिंग में. सोनिया गांधी ने फोन किया सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी. सोनिया गांधी ने स्वयं फोन किया. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने मुझे कहा गया एक फीलर भेजा है, प्लीज आ जाइए 1 तारीख को. बोली मैं नहीं आ रही. ये कह रहे शी इज रिफ्यूजिंग टू कम. पुल्ला राव जी, हाउ ह्यूमिलिएटिंग. How humiliating is this?
She has already given a reason why she is not coming. She said, I got an election that day.
So she can't come in the evening?
No. She is
really? Is that the reason?
Run.
Ratnakar Tripathi, is that the reason? Or is it the fact that the India Alliance and members of the India Alliance have already acknowledged defeat before the 4th?
In parts of Bengal.
Dr. Goswami, let me clear one thing to you more. I know you have all praises for Narendra Modi ji, and you just, insult us by saying Indi Gadabandhan, as Narendra Modi says. So it is India Gadabandhan, not Indi.
No. I'll explain this. Ratnakar ji, let me explain this.
So you please don't explain me. I am not here.
A stands for alliance. Mane ki Gadbandhan. Indi A.
Sir.
Indi Gadbandhan. Indi Alliance, Indi Gadbandhan.
Okay. Why don't you say that NDA, ND Alliance? Why don't you say so? Why do you say NDA? Say it ND Alliance.
Because they are not trying to copy my country's name.
No, I am not trying to copy. I am just trying to draw a parallel. If you are saying Indi Alliance, say it ND Alliance. Please.
My country's name is not NDA.
Why? The formation they are having of the parties, it is known as NDA. Say it NDA.
Anyway, today you have said, आज सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी कांग्रेस ने एक बहुत बड़ा ऐलान किया है. इन्होंने कहा कि अगर वो पावर में आएंगे, ये यूएपीए को abolish कर देंगे, यानी कि the biggest anti-terror law, so that terrorists can be. आपने कहा है कि you will scrap UAPA.
No, I'm telling you one thing.
Great news for terrorists in this country.
No. Let me.
You want their vote? You want the vote of terrorists?
10 seconds I
आपको
need.
terrorist का वोट चाहिए?
No. बनारस में एक बहुत पुरानी कहावत कही जाती है. Once upon a time, people used to think कि अगर कोई लेप्रेसी से है वो तो थूकेगा तो लेप्रेसी हो जाएगी. तो कहा जाता है कुड़िया डराए हम थूक दे. तो कब तक डराएंगे यूएपीए से, मुसलमानों से, सारे मुसलमान लूट लेंगे, कर लेंगे. Come out of that USP. There is one thing, three-liner. You can fool all the people for some time, some people for all the time.
Boring.
But you cannot all the people all the time.
Boring.
And Narendra Modi is the third line now.
Boring, sir, boring.
Hold your business for us.
Sir, I'll tell you. Let Sudhanshu Trivedi respond to you.
सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता
खुद दीजिए
आपकी
debate.
है. No, please,
मैं
please.
इनवाइट कर Sudhanshu Trivedi को तो आ जाए.
Arnav, on this issue of
जी, please.
UAPA,
I am very serious about the issue of UAPA,
Arnav,
sir.
I will respond to what Mr.
How can you say we will remove the anti-terror law of the country?
An objection. No. I will respond on both the aspects. First objection Mr. Tripathi was having that he wants to his alliance should be called India. Means he doesn't interested in the full form, he is just interested in the short form. So I have never heard that any of the Indian National Congress, means INC member, was saying Indian National Congress as Inc. I have never heard Inc. क्यों नहीं Inc बोलते थे भाई?
Inc.
Then we say BJP, but you say Indian National Congress or only Congress. When the full name is Indian National
देश
Congress.
के नाम का अपहरण करना चाहते हैं. They want to kidnap the country's name.
Politics of convenience.
Dr. Goswami,
and coming on the UAPA, sir, they are not just promising. They have already done it. I would like to remind in 2004 when Manmohan Singh government came, the first decision in their cabinet was to revert the POTA, Prevention of Terrorist Activities Act, which was brought by Vajpayee government. And you have seen what happened in the consequence. कौन सा ऐसा देश का इलाका था जहां धमाके नहीं हुए? चेन्नई से चंडीगढ़ तक, गुवाहाटी से गया तक, लखनऊ, फैजाबाद, नागपुर, वाराणसी, पुणे, कहां पे धमाके नहीं होते?
पुलवामा से पठानकोट तक,
बस में धमाका और मुंबई और दिल्ली में दो बार धमाके होते थे. This was the outcome of the POTA withdrawal. Then they said that the Muslims are being targeted. But I would like to remind, the first anti-terror law was brought by Rajiv Gandhi government. That was TADA, Terrorist and Destructive Activities Act. It was brought by Congress government. And the number of persons who were indicated were LTT persons also, the Khalistanis also. But it was revoked by Narasimha Rao government on the pretext that the Muslims are being targeted. Then 93 के मुंबई blast और क्या क्या होने शुरू हुए. That's why Prime Minister had said इनको तो माफियाओं में भी वोट बैंक दिखाई पड़ता है. They are having an eye on a vote bank even at the cost of the national security.
Take that
even
shot.
at the cost of the terrorism. इसीलिए इनको जाकिर में शांति का मसीहा दिखता
Volume louder, yeah.
इशरत में बेटी दिखती है, याकूब मेनन में हालात का मारा दिखता है.
अरे बहुत कुछ
बुरहान
और
वानी में
बोला
फंसा हुआ
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी.
दिखता है.
सुधांशु
और
त्रिवेदी जी, आप सबसे बड़ी बात भूल गए. सबसे बड़ी बात याद दिलाने की कोशिश कराऊंगा. अच्छा, मैं कह देता हूं, ये इनको अच्छा नहीं लगता. अशोक मृत्युंजय जी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, अनिर्बान को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, मगर जो जॉइंट वेंचर इनकी थी, जॉइंट वेंचर ये सब पार्टियों की, शाहीन बाग, और शाहीन बाग में अशोक जी क्या कहा था? व्हाट वाज सेड? क्या आजादी चाहिए? जिन्ना वाली आजादी. नहीं, जिन्ना वाली आजादी.
Just one sentence.
जिन्ना वाली आजादी की बात हुई थी कि नहीं थी? Tell me, was that mentioned or not? जिन्ना वाली आजादी. What is जिन्ना वाली आजादी? Why should people not vote against the concept of जिन्ना वाली आजादी that was propagated by people who were supporting Shaheen Bagh? So the Prime Minister said today that these people are doing vote jihad. What's wrong fundamentally? This election, Ashok, is a clear election between nationalists in the country, pro-nation nationalists, and people who want to make things easier for terrorists by saying before the last phase हम anti-terror law को ही remove कर देंगे. We will, and one party which says we will destroy the nuclear weapons of India. Another party says we will remove the anti-terrorist laws of this country. These are the same people who allowed Ishrat Jahan defended Ishrat
And
Jahan.
senior leader said that we should respect Pakistan because it is having atom bomb.
Correct. अरे सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, these are the
And
same
the
people
same
जिन्होंने
party,
कहा
other party says that we should destroy our
no, these are the people who said Afzal Guru should never have been hanged. He has human rights too. क्यों Ashok ji, am I wrong? Now they are all quiet. They are saying, Arnab, why are you reminding people about what we did? Yes, Ashok Mrityunjay. Yes, Ashok.
It's good that you're raising this point. You know, while you raise this point, why don't you raise a point where Mirchi, Dawood Ibrahim 8 donated certain amount to BJP, which is the so-called nationalist party, the so-called, Deshbhakt party. Why did they collect donations from Mirchi? You're raising this question, which is absolutely right. You know, we are totally against everybody who speaks against India, who speaks against our national interests, right? Be whoever it is for that matter. Same way, I would also request you to raise the issues of Dawood Ibrahim 8 Mirchi donating funds to BJP. Why are you not raising this question?
I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. 1 minute. I have investigated the Mirchi case. 1 minute. I have investigated the Mirchi case. If I'm not mistaken, during the time of the BJP, that the enforcement directorate had confiscated properties that were belonging to Iqbal Mirchi's business associates. But, Ashok, tell me,
I'm on TV.
what was the donation to BJP by Mirchi? Now that you have said that, Sudhanshu Trivedi is here, you verify, tell me, and if someone has sent you a WhatsApp, you give me the name of the person who sent you the WhatsApp. You have said that BJP has accepted donations from Mirchi. So Sudhanshu Trivedi will reply, I don't know any such case where BJP has taken donations from Mirchi. Now Aam Aadmi Party is thinking,
That's why I was very much strange that how he's saying that.
How did you say that?
Even he is not knowing the full name. His full name is Iqbal Mirchi.
If you read the Times of India article, it clearly says BJP got from some Mirchi linked firm. I'm not reading any WhatsApp University messages. I am referring to
Times of India was also quoting Sachin Waze like he's Queen Elizabeth.
BJP received
Times of India used to quote Sachin Waze every morning.
I'm reading the news article.
अरे सचिन वाजे जो बोलते थे Times of India publish करता था कि नहीं? I'm not. Did the Times of India publish?
Let the BJP answer. No. Why?
Anyway, now no. 1 minute. You have to verify. You have to tell me. Tell me.
I'm telling you, I'm verifying an
Tell
article.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Sudhanshu
Trivedi reply.
The date I can tell you.
Reply.
November 2023. November 23, 2019,
Sir,
article was published at 5:16 IST.
I think you
what
should
else you
come
want? I'm
out
verifying
after
it and telling you,
verifying
reading
the
in front of
facts.
me.
Don't
You
go
it,
by
I can
the
show it to you.
haywire
But
news
see,
which is
fact
based
wouldn't
on the
change, right? I'm
statement
reading
of
an article
somebody.
published in Times of
And
India.
अगर आप ऐसे बात करें तो you should remember in 2G
You
spectrum,
should answer.
the company
The BJP
which
should
was
answer.
given a
The
license
so-called
was
nationalist
also
party,
having
the
the
so-called
investment
Deshbhakt
of
should answer.
Iqbal
Why
Mirchi.
did it happen? If the information is false,
I do not want to take
then
the
why
name.
have they not taken action against it? Why is it quiet? Why is BJP quiet on that? And they say, so-called, the BJP so-called Hindu
Arre
National
bhai, they are
Party,
quoting
they've
an
taken
statement
donation
which
from a
is the
beef
form of
exporter.
allegation.
You've taken 2 crore donation from beef exporter. You just come and, display a board of you're very fond of Hindutva, but you take donation from a beef exporter and nobody questions it. Why is that happen? Why can't you answer the question?
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
You've taken donation from Mirchi, you've taken donation from a beef exporter, and you're quiet and nobody questions you and you're not ready to answer that. Why would that happen? Why only the opposition being questioned? And you're absolutely right. If anybody, for that matter, anybody in India who is against the national
Well,
should be questioned.
one minute. You lecture BJP, but listen to me. I'll tell you one thing. You question BJP as much as you want. I will tell you one thing. Ashok, even today, 1 minute. No. Even today, the person linked to Iqbal Mirchi the most is this fellow called Nawab Malik. और आप अभी भी पूछ लो, Nawab Malik sees Arnab Goswami in his nightmares. He used to say that I will make Arnab commit suicide. तो मुझे मत पूछिए. You want to ask the BJP that, but that doesn't justify why you want to remove the anti-terror law in the country. You
We
tell
don't
me.
want to remove the anti-terror
Of course
law.
you
I'm
want
not sure
to.
who said that. We
Oh,
have
you
no
want to.
intention to remove the
No, you
anti-terror
want
law. We are
to. No, you
completely
want
against
to.
it.
No. Today Congress has said we will remove anti-terror law.
I don't agree with that.
You may
statement.
not agree, but you're an ally. That is the basic.
I would definitely
Sir,
not
but that
agree.
is the
We are
problem
not
with
gonna
you.
remove anti-terror law. We want to remove the abusers being made by
No,
the
no,
UAP.
no, 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 no.
Illogical, unnecessary abuses being happening in the name of UAPA.
What-
The
Sudhanshu
abuses
is
which
on the debate.
happening in
Okay.
the name of PMLA Act.
Sudhanshu is on the debate.
Arnav, I would like to
We are
remind.
completely against the
Arnav.
terrorism. We are completely against whoever is against
This is
the
not
national
the
interest, but
Congress
we
which has
don't
made
want
this promise for the
abusers
first time.
happening
I
in
would
the
like
name
to
of
remind in
UAPA. We don't
2019,
want
Congress in its
abusers happening in the name
manifesto
of
has said that
PMLA,
they
right?
will remove
That
the
is what we are
sedition law
saying.
because sedition law is being
None of the
misused
India
by the several
Alliance partner
governments.
would say
And
that
you
we
know,
would
after
remove UAPA.
2019, which was the first government which has used the sedition law,
statement.
it
I
was
would
the
definitely
Congress
not agree
government
with
of Rajasthan. And they have used the sedition law against whom? Not against the terrorists, not against the Reuters, not against those who have done Sarpan se Juda, but against the MLAs. Against
Mullah Rao.
not of the opposition like BJP.
Ratnakar Tripathi.
Against the MLAs of the Congress party itself, which from the opposite faction. भैया आपने तो
there is
सचिन
nothing
पायलट
wrong
ग्रुप
in
के
changing
MLA
laws.
पे sedition
There is
law
nothing
लगाया था
wrong
अशोक गहलोत ने.
in
देखिए,
modifying laws.
इन्होंने कहा था
You can always
sedition law
be
is misused,
progressive.
and they have used the
There's no
sedition
law.
law
So many
against
amendments
MLAs
are
of their own
there. The
party.
government also has
This is
amended
the
criminal
true
laws. You
face
have
of,
to look to the future.
what they say
You
and
can't
what
say this
actuality
law
is.
has come. Is it working? Is it not working? Innocent people, some of them have gone to jail. You have to modify it. You have to be progressive. You can't say one law for all time. If they have another law coming up in its place, there's no harm. You
Okay.
can't stick with the same laws. It's a modern world, it's a progressive world, we change.
Okay, so
according to the
great. So
situation.
people watching the program, please see. I am not putting words in anyone's mouth.
No, we say
Openly,
that you
Congress
have
party
to
has
have a
said it will remove the
progressive view.
anti-terrorism law. Does it make you feel safe? I am
You're
telling you.
get a better law.
We are
You get
not
a
saying
better
that
law.
you remove the
You
anti-terrorist
get a better
We
law,
never said
a
that.
more viable
India
law,
has never
a
said
more
that
viable
statement.
law.
Sir,
We
the
are
Congress
only
party
saying that the
spokesperson
abusers happening in
and
the name of
leader
PMLA,
Shashi Tharoor has
the
said
abusers
that
happening in
we
the name
will
of PMLA,
we will
we are
remove
against it. We are
we
not
will
against any law.
remove
And
the
any law
UAPA. We will
would need
scrap
a
UAPA.
amendment. We may make it more stricter to make sure that all the terrorists are behind the bar or terrorists are convicted
Really?
and given a capital punishment, but we would never say that.
Really? And-
we would,
and-
we would remove the UAPA law, right? It is
Of course, you have
100%
said
a
you will scrap the
misinterpreted
UAPA
statement.
law, and you are in a fix because of it. And the Prime
No,
Minister
we
has
are
also
not.
spoken
We
of
have
vote
never- we never
jihad.
said
I
that. We
request
have
you,
never said
Ratnakar
that we will
Tripathi.
remove UAPA law.
Ratnakar
We are
Tripathi,
definitely
please
it is
say.
a misinterpreted
Ratnakar
statement. We would never do
Tripathi,
that.
please ask the Congress leadership to condemn the statement on vote jihad. You saw what the Prime Minister said.
I will, Dr. Goswami, I will ask your viewers
Yeah.
to decide whom to vote. People who haven't solved the Pulwama attack yet. People who took hundreds of lives of the army people, persons. People who invite Pakistan to investigate Pathankot Air Base, where ISI persons are involved in that 5-member team. Never in the history the openly declared country which opposes us, which are enemy country, they are invited on a red carpet. आओ पठान के केस की जांच करो, एयर बेस पे ठहरो और जांच करो. जांच क्या निकलती है जो निकलना था. तो let the people decide what BJP wants. Everybody knows that for Pakistan, Narendra Modi has a very soft corner. शादी के पहले चले जाना, बात करना, खाना, वहां पे रहना, पाकिस्तान को बुलाना. डॉक्टर गोस्वामी, मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, वी आर गोइंग टू रूल नाउ. सिंहासन खाली करो कि जनता आती है. And now let me tell you one more thing. You asked about the WhatsApp University and debate, na? They always blame that we shook hands with China. What is this, sir? Try it. 28th August 2019. Arun Singh, the General Secretary with 5 member parliaments of BJP and 20 other people in Communist Party of China's headquarters in China. Vijay Chothaiwala, Foreign Department head of BJP. We are exchanging. They got training there.
आप अपने
क्या बात
सीक्रेट
कर रहे हैं
अरेंजमेंट
ये?
को पब्लिक कर दीजिए
ये
ना.
चाइना के साथ है, ये
आपकी
पाकिस्तान
सीक्रेट
के
अरेंजमेंट
साथ
जो है,
ये
देखिए,
पुलवामा
many people
कराते
not
हैं,
many
ये
people who will
बलात्कारियों
not
को
vote for
समर्थन
you.
करते हैं. And now
Ratnakar ji, you are an erudite man. Will you vote for a party that has a secret written understanding with Xi Jinping? Your leader Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have signed a secret agreement.
What they're doing there?
Release the document.
Tell me na.
Release the document.
I showed you the photo.
Why are you hiding it?
See it clearly,
Why are you
sir.
hiding your agreement?
Arul,
अरे why are you hiding your agreement? Why are you hiding your agreement? छुपाने के लिए क्या है? Why are you hiding it?
Not government basis.
15 साल से छुपा रहे हैं.
Party there. And they said we are going to
Then if
learn.
there is no, put it in the public domain. I'll put it on Republic
Oh my
World.
God, the Chinese reformation.
Sir, with the Chinese you signed an agreement.
Yes. The Supreme Court has just said it doesn't exist. Please don't.
Sir, your leader has signed the document. You say it doesn't exist.
Has gone in the court and Supreme Court.
Sir, it's not a government document. It's a private arrangement with the Gandhi family.
The BJP is all.
It's a private arrangement with the Gandhi family. What private arrangement have you signed on behalf of the people of India? How dare you do that, sir?
They are
On what
having
basis did you do it? You should not talk about China for generations to come. You've compromised my country's security. You've compromised my country's sovereignty by getting into a private arrangement with a possibly enemy country.
Don't shout at me. I gave you the proof.
You have got into an arrangement with China.
BJP party's general secretary in the capacity of BJP party general secretary along with 5
Have
BJP
they
members
signed an agreement?
and
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi is on the debate 50-50. Ladies and gentlemen, it's hot right now. And it's hot on the debate 9:34. Sudhanshu responding.
Ratnakar Tripathi ji, there uses to be several delegations coming in out in there. But I would like to ask that Rajiv Gandhi Foundation has got direct money from the Chinese embassy.
Answer that right now, ladies and gentlemen.
You have got a direct money by check from the Chinese embassy and you are asking the question. And again, I would like to say, elections India mein ho rahe hain. Why Shashi Tharoor is writing article in the Bangladeshi newspaper Daily Star with an heading, Modi has to go. अरे भाई हमें कहने की जरूरत है, चिल्लाइए नहीं, आप बोल रहे थे, मैं शांति से बैठा हुआ था. अब पूरी बात सुनिए. अगर पाकिस्तान का फॉरेन मिनिस्टर फवाद चौधरी ट्वीट करता है और राहुल गांधी को राहुल साहब लिखता है, वो नेहरू को कहता है he was a great socialist, and look at the wordings of Fawad Chaudhry. What he says, this is the same Fawad Chaudhry who on the floor of the House of the National Assembly of Pakistan has said कि हमने पुलवामा तक घुस के मारा है. He has taken full responsibility of पुलवामा और जिसके लिए हमने उसको किया था. But what he said? He says बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट जानी चाहिए, मोदी हटना चाहिए, उसके बाद जो मर्जी हो कर लेंगे. This is in letter and spirit the same sentence which India Alliance used to say. बीजेपी जाना चाहिए, मोदी हटना चाहिए, फिर चाहे जो कर लेंगे. None of the Congress MPs और लीडर
और ये अभी मिसयूज की बात करते हैं. नहीं, ये एक मिनट यूएपीए के पॉइंट पर अब मैं रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी को लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वॉच नाउ हाउ आई कैच रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी लाइव ऑन टेलीविजन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू मेक हिम अपोलोजाइज टू मी.
और जवाब दीजिए, चाइनीज एम्बेसी से पैसा क्यों
Just watch now, viewers. I respect him greatly. I don't want to create trouble for the senior Congress leader on my program, but I will prove tonight how Ratnakar Tripathi is wrong. Ratnakar Tripathi, there are many other spokespersons. सबके सामने आपको मैं कोई आपके साथ कोई misbehavior नहीं करूँगा. क्योंकि I'm a very civilized and polished kind of person. But I will tell you one thing. Ratnakar Tripathi, you are the masters of misuse of law. You are the same people in the most cruel way. 67,500 people were arrested under TADA. And do you know how many people had a genuine case against them? Except 62,500 cases were found not to be tenable. Despite Gujarat having no terrorism, 1993, 19,000 people were arrested under TADA. Are Ratnakar Tripathi, anybody in India, ladies and gentlemen, and please young people of India understand, when this Congress party was in power, all their political opponents were arrested under a terrorist act, and they used to have a private arrangement with the Pakistanis.
Oh, shall I speak?
Oh, let me know. Was TADA misused or not? Are my numbers right or not? Sudhanshu Trivedi is on air, and I call upon the conscience of Pulla Rao, Anirban Banerjee and Ashok Mrityunjay. You challenge me if you can. And
no, I'm not challenging you.
I'm I'm reading an article in the
May I
Hindu.
remind you of
on
Kobil
January
Puroka's-
What's the Hindu? I don't believe the Hindu.
May I remind you
Arey
of
Baba, I
Kobil
don't read
Puroka's-
Hindu. I don't believe the Hindu. They got the story wrong on
when you-
Rafale. I don't have any trust on
Everybody
them.
would get the story wrong.
I don't read a paper that gets stories
Senior
wrong.
advocate.
Arey, I don't read that paper. It has no
wrong on the
credibility in my
Newsclick
view.
issue.
I am not going. No,
Did you
no.
get the
I don't
story
take the
wrong?
Hindu as a credible source. It's my independent right as a journalist.
Without any evidence. Arnab, you don't believe it, it doesn't matter.
Okay, then I tell you one thing,
Regarding the
Ashok,
arrest of
Ashok,
Kobil
Ashok,
Puroka's,
Ashok,
what has
Ashok,
been
Ashok,
declared?
Ashok, tell me, Ashok, tell me. Arey, forget advertising Hindu. If they want to advertise on Republic, they'll have to do ads. They don't need you to come on the channel. Now listen to me, Ashok. Did Congress government help in covering up Pakistan's role in the Samjhauta blast or not? There was a confession of Safdar Nagori, who was part of terrorist group Simi, who said that he knew of the Samjhauta blast and it was carried out with the help of Pakistani nationals. But Congress protected Pakistanis and prosecuted Swami Asimanand. And Swami Asimanand was acquitted in March 2019. You saved Pakistanis and falsely accused Swami Asimanand. क्या गलती की स्वामी जी ने और क्या मेहरबानी की पाकिस्तानियों ने आपको
अर्नब
should I expose and now आप UAPA को निकालना चाहते हैं?
असीमानंद के ऊपर एक्विजिशन किस बेस पे हुआ था? देयर वाज अ मैगजीन तहलका जिसने तिहाड़ में जाके स्वामी असीमानंद का इंटरव्यू लिया, in which he has said that I own all the responsibility. क्वेश्चन तो ये होना चाहिए जो जेल में था उसका इंटरव्यू कैसे हो गया? Instead of taking action on the authority, you have considered the statement given in an interview as an admission and as a proof. And on that basis, you have acquitted all the Muslims. Fact of the matter is, FBI भी इसका investigation कर रहा था समझौता एक्सप्रेस का. FBI के investigation में डेविड कोलमैन, हेडली की थर्ड वाइफ, फौजिया ने अपने स्टेटमेंट
Sudhanshu is on
जो
there.
पैसा आपने पाकिस्तानियों को दिया था, they have wasted in
Sudhanshu is on there.
train blast. ये this is the very peculiar case of the Indian history.
Viewers, we are in a very dangerous point in our political history tonight.
Taken U-turn and said that Asimanand is behind, and they were unable to find the charge sheet.
BJP has not arrested Congress
Because there
vote.
was no proof at all other than that
I will.
statement. So-called
No action has been taken since last 10 years.
Asimanand.
Ladies
You've
and
been
gentlemen.
being for last
Interviewed
10
with
years and
Maxi.
now during election you say
Gajab
that
ka
Congress
Yes,
did
Ashok.
Congress did it after. You don't have anything to claim in last 10 years to ask for a vote. You just have the Congress inefficiency which happened 10 years
Ashok,
back.
but Ashok-
Last 10 years you have nothing to
But
ask,
Ashok-
nothing to show to get
But
a vote
Ashok
from people.
Mrityunjay, what I'd say to you is this. We are in a very dangerous turn in our country's political history. हम हमारे देश के राजनीतिक इतिहास में बहुत ही खतरनाक मोड़ पर आ पहुंचे हैं दोस्तों.
No, if
इतने
BJP has
खतरनाक
performed
मोड़
well,
पर
why
हैं.
are they in that state? Adab, if BJP has performed so well in last 10 years, why are they talking about the 10-year-old story?
No,
Why are
but
they worried about it now?
I'll tell
BJP
you.
should talk about their performance. You know what
Okay,
they've
you
done
tell
in
me,
last 10 years.
Ashok, you tell
What
me.
have they achieved in last
Ashok,
10
you
years?
tell
You know,
me.
they've been in
Ashok.
power for last 10 years.
Ashok,
They
Ashok.
should ask vote in the name of their performance.
Ashok,
Not
when you
saying that 10
when
years
a
back
when a
Congress did something,
doctor
10 years back Congress did
when a
something.
when a
was the reason
doctor
to ask vote? They've been in power.
When a
What action
doctor-
have they taken against Congress? If
Ashok
Congress
ji,
has done something wrong?
Ashok ji, when a doctor diagnoses a disease, he looks at the
Arey, they are talking about performance in Aam Aadmi Party. Punjab has witnessed the 85% come down in the investment in just 1 year. In 2022, the investment
Now it goes in a
Punjab
different
was
direction.
35,000
The
crore. Now
investment
it
has
has come
grown
to
up by
3,400 crore.
13,000
क्या बात
crore.
करते हैं?
It is 41,228
This is the biggest
crore.
ever
Now you talk
decline in
about
the
Punjab,
investment in
Mr. BJP
Punjab. This is your
spokesperson.
performance.
Can you
The
tell
moment
me
Aam Aadmi
how
Party
is your
government
Home
came,
Minister
law and
Amit
order
Shah,
situation
is
has
the
worsened.
elected
It has
government,
become much,
is
much
making
worse
a
than those who were the
public
disturbing
statement
days of
that
Punjab.
we will-
This is
the
become the, for the
the
first
Punjab
time.
government will be de-established.
It is witnessing
How can
since
you say
last
that?
30,
You
40
don't have
years.
respect
I'll
for
go back to
Punjab
Ratnakar and Sudhanshu.
Ratnakar
Ratnakar ji, this is such a dangerous turn in our history.
You want to respect to people mandate.
This is such a dangerous turn in our history, and I feel that such a big mistake, even bigger mistake than Muslim quota.
Minister Balkar Singh's case, in which he is
Even more,
shamelessly
viewers,
with the
let me explain this, even more dangerous than Muslim quota, even more horrible than inheritance tax, is this plan of Congress party, which is today's breaking news, that they will abolish the anti-terrorism law of this country, which is saving the country from terrorism, called UAP. Now you will tell me that Arnab, why should you think big things about this? Ignore कर दो. मैं ignore करता, मगर मैं आपके पार्टी की जो बैकग्राउंड हिस्ट्री है, रिकॉर्ड है, उसमें मुझे दिखता है कि आप हमेशा ऐसा करते हैं. इनफैक्ट you were accused of rewriting the Ishrat Jahan charge sheet in March 2016. Former Home Secretary G.K. Pillai alleged that in the Ishrat Jahan case, the then Home Minister Chidambaram called a lower functionary in the Intelligence Bureau and totally rewrote the affidavit. The draft was dictated by him, so no one else could say anything, unquote. And it is in the public domain how the second affidavit diluted Ishrat Jahan's terror background.
The change of affidavit file was missing from MHA.
No. So point is, you know, you understand what I'm saying, sir? Your background, Sohrabuddin case in September 2018.
And Ishrat Jahan case is a very peculiar case in the entire investigative history of India.
Everything.
Arnav, एक sentence मैं कहना चाहूँगा.
मैं एक बात कहूँ आपके कहने के पहले.
Initially, the IB of the UPA government and CBI both were saying it is a terror ploy from Pakistan. Suddenly, CBI has taken a U-turn and said that Ishrat Jahan was innocent, and IB stood by their previous stand.
Now, why Sudhanshu Trivedi?
In a unique case in which two agencies of the same government
why are you doing
against each other.
Whatever
IB
remaining
was saying
voters
Ishrat
you
Jahan
have.
is terrorist, and CBI was first saying terrorist, now saying innocent. ये तो कभी नहीं हुआ भाई साहब कि IB CBI दोनों एक दूसरे के खिलाफ हो गई.
I think
सिर्फ इसलिए कि इशरत जहां मोदी जी को असैसिनेशन के प्लॉट में जा रहा था. बस जैसे ही वो बात आई तो इशरत जहां के प्रति मोहब्बत उभर आई.
रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी, इस पर आपको यू मस्ट इशू क्लैरिफिकेशन.
इसका मतलब है कि ये गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी पे विश्वास नहीं करते. अगर दो गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी की अलग अलग रिपोर्ट है तो ये विश्वास नहीं करते. एक दूसरे आप किसको डरा रहे हैं?
अरे साहब यू टर्न लेके और बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के खिलाफ. तो कौन सी एजेंसी
बस
आईबी से सीबीआई से दोनों तो सही नहीं हो सकती. एक कह रही इनोसेंट, एक कह रहा टेररिस्ट. बताइए.
सेव योर टाइम फॉर द पार्लियामेंट सर.
हाँ बताइए.
10 साल आप थे, आपको जो करना था कर लेते. वाई शूट एंड स्कूट? कभी आपने मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. फिर बीच में बोल रहा है ना. आपके पास चाइनीज एक्सचेंज का जवाब है. पुलवामा क्यों नहीं सॉल्व किया आपने, उसका नहीं जवाब है. आपके पास पठानकोट एयरबेस पे आपने
सॉल्व कर दिया, ठोक के बराबर कर दिया. भाई क्या बात कर रहे हैं
सर? बोलने दीजिए. उसका जवाब नहीं है. कोई एक आपके आशिक हैं फवाद चौधरी, जो हम लोग के लिए लिख देते हैं. भाई आपने अगर खुद कहा कि फवाद चौधरी ने एडमिट किया कि मैं पुलवामा में था, सरकार आपकी अपनी FIR में डाल दो ना, उसको एक्यूज बनाओ ना. पूरे विश्व में होता.
आप पुलवामा में पढ़ते ही नहीं हो क्या?
अरुण जी बीच में मत बोलिएगा.
हंस क्यों रहे?
अरे ये नहीं कहा उसने मैं था. उसने पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट के लिए कहा कि हमने पुलवामा तक घुस के मारा. पाकिस्तान वाज ओनली. क्या बच्चों जैसी बात करने लगते हैं? फवाद चौधरी नोटेड दैट ही हिमसेल्फ वाज इन पुलवामा.
अरे सरकार बात सुन लीजिए ना. माननीय सांसद महोदय बात सुन लीजिए. 19 में उन्होंने कहा आप कहां था. और मार्च 2016 में आपने पाकिस्तानी सेना क्यों बुलाया था? तब ISI को क्यों बुलाया था? क्यों गलबैया की थी? अगर आपको पता है क्यों गलबैया की थी. अब फवाद चौधरी लिखें चाहे नवाज शरीफ लिखें, जाते तो आप है ना. 15 आपने विजिट किया प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने हमारे, जो अनऑफिशियल विजिट टाइप थी चाइना में. आपने एक्सचेंज किया. किसको कर रहे हैं? 5 दिन बचा है सर. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूं सर कि आप भाजपा के राज्यसभा सांसद हैं, तो यू विल बी हैविंग योर टेन्योर. जो लोग बाकी लोग हैं वो खोजेंगे, बंगले खोजेंगे, जगह खोजेंगे. तो आप निश्चिंत रहिए. आप और डॉक्टर गोस्वामी दोनों मिलकर के तालियां पीटते रहिए, एक्यूज करते रहिए. जनता देख रही है. जनता बिल्किस बानो के बलात्कारियों को वो गुजरात को जानते हैं माननीय मोदी जी. माला पहना के आपने वापस
पाकिस्तान से कहीं पहुंच
गुजरात में छोड़ा. सरकार अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट माई बाप ना रहा होता तो आप लोग सीरीज ऑफ, मैंने बताया था ना आपसे, इसी चैनल पे बोला था मैंने कि कुणाल पांडे, अभिषेक चौहान, शंकरशरण पटेल आपके क्षेत्रीय सचिव के PA लोग, इन्होंने BHU की लड़की से बलात्कार किया IIT की. और आपने 3 महीना वीडियो रहने के बाद इसलिए नहीं खोला कि राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ में चुनाव थे. आप बताएंगे.
Okay, viewers, Because I think somewhere आप देखिए रत्नाकर जी I have to close.
He is unable to fix what is main point.
और उसको अभी देखना
From UAPA to Pakistan to Pulwama, he seems to be too much confused.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll say this. I think the Prime Minister is in fifth gear in the campaign right now. We have one important phase to go. I believe the Congress Party's statement on UAPA scrapping it is most unfortunate. And finally, the way I see it is that the final home run of the 2024 campaign, at this stage of the campaign, we are literally going down to the glaring contrast between two choices. And national security is at the heart of it. Those who used an entire machinery of fake secularism to justify the dilution of terror charges are only individuals who are now coming and saying that vote us in. We will revoke UAPA. Viewers, UAPA is India's strongest legislation against terrorism. And the way I see it is that this is the biggest admission so far that those who have been flapping on about with fake narratives on constitutional integrity being paramount have not a care in the world about India's territorial integrity, about our sovereignty. Ladies and gentlemen, the Congress Party should issue an immediate clarification and take back its comments on its plans, ill-intended plans, to scrap the UAPA. Viewers, on the other side, the two big stories, including the events in Pune and an associated case very similar from Nagpur. Public interest stories that you must not miss when I'm back.